Leo, where are you, Leo? Come on, come, Leo, come. Leo, Leo, Leo. Chakri.
Walk to you, so I can be close to you. It's really simple if you look at it that
Hi. Who is Evie here?
time.
Who is Evie here? Are you Evie?
We don't know
Natural, they have a very
it's empty,
huge
but it's a
playground.
friend
My
anyway.
dog loves here to come.
Hey,
You know, we have food also here.
then like
Come here on
children.
weekends.
Okay. Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another Slash from here. Today I'm bringing you guys in a dog cafe. Third cafe. It's in Bangalore. It's nearby to my home. You'll get to see some dogs. Whoever coming here to watch this video, like if you are a dog lovers, you'll find it good. So let's see. I hope you'll enjoy it. Music like say dog cafe hatare hui ko mayam laiba dagi achapot chabam khopam yaba cafe madane si se mayam yengu se manung da ge lay aduga hui phajaba jaba ga lem ne habagi expect tawe moi sing je restaurant am hui pura lakpadi yade dana ado sida di yadoine aduga hui gumba pora ga ko sana han bai roi han ba dagi makhal makhal kya adi yengase kai le haba makha da changa guys mi hui le sing ko mapu hui le sing hui loi pu la maning da lai map se haidi ai sai thai kitang cha throk ne ado ma'am le adu to sigi card am le ko 250 rupees entry ki fee rani entry fee 250 pi rane ba adu 250 sida ke khoina cha ba gi ko sida gi redeem tawe mo se sagi 250 khoina pi gi do cha ba da se ne ba ko you have to pay only 250 rupees and with this 250 rupees you have to redeem on food only. You can redeem it, but it's non-refundable. So you can try it here. Come, bring your dogs and enjoy, have fun. Yang se mi gi hui fajaba jaba ma'am pore. Ai di maming jam ta khang de do masak yang nu si yawe. Yo. Fajare hui ge je. Sana ba do mo ge. Maming jam ta khang de ko se. Ke na. Pora ini mapu gina pora ga kosida hade enjoy the holiday ne hoise sana iside di sigi macha yam nusi. Hello, come on sit down, come on Sile, amadi sile. Come on. Yeah. Asiki keno se. Sitagi arang budo. Do khara dum phajai ma se ko adagi atop ju lei. Yeng se. Sigi macha ma lei ko. Excuse me. What is this breed? Siju. C or R? Siju. Come on. Ai naga isha da thajalak ge ta wai mo je. Adi amna keno do buda. Lay sidagi sidai party je asigi macha je am chin nuksiwanda ai masak ulake ko masak oina faja ulake si macha jam masak nuksiba ko ulake it's your he Leo. Okay, come on Siju. Yeah so cute. No come on, you look so cute. Oh, can I pick it up? No. Come on. I want you. Yeah. Smile. Come on. Huh? Leo, come on. Leo, where are you, Leo? Come, Leo, come. Leo. Chakri. And what about this one? The brown one? Boxer. Okay. Name Noah. And another one, this is I think Labrador, yeah. Lab. And here, what about this gray? Gradient. Okay. Come on, mister. Energetic. Mr. Energetic. Come on. You look so energetic, huh? Come on, see here. Energy. Yes, I'm going the friend I'm going to wow, wow. Picture I'm nung less that. She like go.
Oh, no,
Wow.
no.
Masak tinung she. She looks so cute, yeah. See. Wow. Come on. Hey, they're fighting.
You know, behave.
Still, they have this one. Come on. Yes. Slow. Wow. Yeah. Come on. No. Hey, biscuit.
I want to you, so I can be close to you. It's really simple if you look at it that way.
Yam nuai ni si block se. Am na moi da benjai ko. Silang am tang on gi daw ni. Yam nuai ga ning khale. Come uba phange. If you guys are staying nearby, I mean this is Whitefield, Nagondanahalli Road. So if you are nearby, you can check out here. Come. You have to pay only 250 rupees. That 250 you can redeem it for food. So guys, ado pa iroi ba hui le ko. Yung se mi myam su lai. So sabi mam la. Sabi masak pa selfie nam. So wow. Magi fighting. Ini big drama atang yang se. Hello. Hi. Yay. Makum dah ni, kumbam lagi tak. Mau ikan apa? Mau pusing je loi laga. Hai di hui je chill tak apa ini kau weekend dah. Ada sini mau restaurant dah. Tengok se. Si manung dah. Namita seleng asi je nong tu pram mangai tak le. So sige no pa se wa tri ma le ngai dah kima. Oh. Okay. Jadi langgane ma ising munda ball se. Yang suka. Let's see it. Yes. Wow. Som damas le. Ada si ura. Ha. Yes. What's his name? I don't know. He's learning swimming, I think, right? You know how to swim? My hero is going to tell me what's that. Yes. Sida lak pagi ko, yam nungai ba to. Haidi sada feel tawud taw haidi ai je hui dog lover samadi oiram deba. Ado tap tam na sum hui nakna ba imana ba gi leba iban akhoi da bu leina. Adumaina leibadagi sum nakna ba hui sum kaino taw do. Yengning ma do ado sida la e daga si lak te friendly oiba dog mayam haidi friendly oiba hui mam thengna ba dai ko. Haidi am nungai yamna kasai gi hui macha ma do. kari magi breed di kaure adu apik pu yam cute oiba adu muni ngaure haidi adu pam yo hambra adu atoto makhan ji lai ngasi lai ja kitang mudi thienge plus koi mi weekend ina ma su la ko ni doi kitang thieng re bujum mum chu doi gi taw ko ni na mi su lai hana gre ba
And if you think I'm running, you can run it back, yo, go on, run it back. You know that I run it. Everything you wanna do, I already done it. And I got your little boo telling me she love me. I got this one, that one. Damn, it's gonna be a long night. Yeah. You know. I said, damn, it's gonna be a long night.
Yes. Nice. Come on, one more time. Yes. Come on. Yeah. Got it.
Shorty drop it for a real one.
Yeah.
Go ahead and pop it, let me feel some. Do it for the boy with a bag now. Movie star money making everybody act out. I don't lie
Yes.
to these women. If I want them, then I tell them. Don't get fly.
He or she?
Women, I was born with these propellers. All my haters cannot beat me, so I call them acapellas. See, I'm only getting better. You only get jealous. You know that I run it. Everything
Come on.
you wanna do,
Come
I
on here.
already done it.
Yeah.
And I got your little boo telling me she love me. I got this.
Come on.
Damn, it's gonna be a long
He's angry. They play like. Okay. Yeah. Play. Come on. No, you kill him. Come on here. Smart Evie. Stega loina sanaraga leibdo. Yam friendly oraga haidi ko. Nungai si vibe se. Momchalle. Asi nupa moi saw ruyam tawri. Mana chulai langkhala thamamne badugi. Kai dero putoraga. Wow. Yeah, guys, this is so good, yeah. So good. Let's see. Loidri husi fauma. Sai de ki swim torok pane. Yeah. Speed of it out today. So I'm going to say that I am no I have a vibe on the name. My Maggie who go I guess that chapot come and pizza. Don't know I have son. She's a Maggie McCall. Yeah, ma'am told me that she's a regular what to say? Customer, no?
Yeah.
Yeah. She used to come here.
Hi, my name is Mumpy and I am right now at Therpup Dog Cafe. And I am a regular customer here. I love to come here with my pet. We come like every Saturday or Sunday. We come here.
Yes.
And we enjoy really, I mean, you can see my at my behind, it's all natural. They have a a huge playground.
Yes.
So my dog loves here to come.
Yeah.
And, we have food also here. So we just come here on weekends and chill out. That's all.
Okay, yeah, this is a good place, right?
Yeah, it is.
Even I love to,
you get to see a lot of dogs.
Yeah, a lot of
and
dogs.
If you are a pet parent, then they get
Okay.
to play with a lot of dogs. And
I'm planning next weekend. I'll bring.
yeah, sure, you should.
Sure.
Of course.
Yeah.
So I would recommend this place to every pet parent,
Okay.
or if you're not a pet parent, you should
Yeah.
obviously visit this place.
I
yeah.
think this kind of cafe pub now it's rare, right?
Yeah, I mean there is no other
Yeah.
place in Bangalore at least.
Yeah, it's rare.
Yeah. Okay then.
Thank you so much.
Yep.
So guys, sini koi ngasi ko hadi vlog sa matang lucisarge kay mo video sa mga video like to mo. If you're coming out for the first time, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. One full gang is here. They are one gang, I think. See? Are you guys a gang? Eddie. 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 gang. I love your gang. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Mỗi là chẳng mong giờ này thờ nhiều. Lì thua cả. Tôi xin chịu. This side is? Okay, resting place. Yeah.